It reduces the risk to responders, meaning from an HR, risk management perspective, less firefighters, police officers, and first responders will get hurt doing their job in an IDLH environment, rescuing a victim, and will get in and get out quicker. Think about that. Think about something like a rail car incident where we have to suit up people in level A suits, drive them in or march them in and figure out what's leaking, when and where and how. We can fly a drone in and highlight that area, identify the hot, warm, and cold zones, see where it's leaking, get all that information back to our crews, lessen the fatigue on them, lessen the overall exposure into that environment just by doing a recon with these devices. And when we think about what drones can do for missing people in a disaster and how quickly we can find them, I don't know about you, but if you read a lot of these incidents about tornadoes and flooding, a lot of people are found days, sometimes weeks later. This is valuable stuff.